y'all, your girl is back in the kitchen. Yes, I have some of this beef rib shaved steak that we're about to make. I got some vegetables cut up, some green and red peppers. Those are red peppers from my garden, y'all. Look at beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Delicious. I'm gonna dice up some of these, mince some of this garlic. And y'all already know I'm gonna be garbage. And y'all already know I'm gonna cut up some more onions too. Y'all already know I'm gonna flavor it up with some delicious seasonings. So let's get started. We're gonna start off with sauteing a few of our veggies and then get to the rest of the dish. Okay, y'all, so go ahead and grab you some green onions and we're going to cut it up like that. My garlic is minced, and here are all the seasoning and oils and sauces that we are using in this delicious, delicious stir fry, okay? Now, season to your liking, okay? And you need some cornstarch and baking powder also to make a nice little gravy, okay? All right, and so now you have our beef. Put it in a bowl. Go ahead and add the seasonings. I say a teaspoon of each or a tablespoon of each, depending on how much beef you have. And let's go ahead and mix it up. Just blend it up well, get all those flavors married together, and then we're going to let it marinate while we go ahead and cook our vegetables. Let's go ahead and add your sesame seed oil and go ahead and put your soy sauce in the mix. And then we're going to add our chili sauce in here and give everything a nice toss. Don't forget to add your baking soda and cornstarch in here, about a teaspoon of each. Heat up your pan with some avocado oil. Go ahead and add your onions and veggies in the pan. And we're going to saute this and probably for like 2 minutes, okay? Because I still want to bite to our veggies, okay? We don't want it too soft. I like a bite to my veggies. How about you? Anyway, I'm going to add just the white pieces of the green onions and get to stirring it all down, okay? And I don't want it translucent, but just go ahead and do your thing. Just leave it a little crisp to it. And I love my onions, and we're going to save the garlic for last, because those burn, so we don't want to burn our garlic. Use you some pink Himalayan sauce, just a quick little turn there, okay, to add some flavor, because we need flavor to our food now. And we got some peppercorn medley I'm going to put on here just to season up our veggies. Remember, our meat is already seasoned very well. I did not add salt to my meat, so that's why I'm just adding a little salt to our veggies. All right. Now it's time to go ahead and remove our veggies from the pan. See what I mean? It still has a bite to them. They are not cooked down, like we're making a soup or anything like that. So go ahead and remove these and put them on a plate and set them to the side. Our meat has been marinating for about an hour. So now let's go ahead and use that same pan and add our beef to the mix. And we're going to scatter it apart because this is thinly shaved beef. So you're going to have to separate them, loosen them up so each piece of beef can cook evenly. Okay? Alright, now that we separated them nicely, we're going to let this cook for about 10 minutes or less. Alright, so there we have it. It's still looking good, and just before it's all done, add your garlic in, and then we're going to let the beef continue cooking. I know, you still see some redness, but we want that garlic flavor to start bursting through there before we start adding the rest of our components to this dish. Our beef is ready to receive our sweet chili sauce, okay? So I boil it, put as much as you like. Remember, we already have our cornstarch and our baking soda in here, baking powder, sorry, not baking soda. And go ahead and add you some soy sauce in there, and we're going to let this slowly cook down. Okay, just mix it well, marry all these flavors together, baby. Listen, when I tell you it's going to be delicious, you won't even taste the sweetness as much, but you're going to taste a full on flavorful dish, trust me. So you want to go ahead and lower the heat and let this simmer down for about 5 to 6 minutes. I'm adding the water in so we could start, the gravy could start consuming, not consuming, forming, sorry. So we're going to get our gravy started. All of that is going to get pulled out of this meat that was coated with delicious flavors, cornstarch, and the uh, baking powder. Okay? So go ahead and get it all mixed together. So I wanted some more veggies, so I decided to use some of this Asian seasoned medley. I don't know what the seasoning is, but I didn't taste it in this dish after it was done, okay, baby? So we are going to add this to the rest of our veggies, all right? Our gravy is forming nicely, okay? I'm waiting to get a nice little more thickness to it, but before we do that, we're going to go ahead and just add our veggies in. Okay, because we want to pull all the flavors out. Only reason why I'm doing it a little bit, pausing on before putting our vegetables in, because I still want my vegetables to have a little bite to it. Okay, so go ahead and start adding your green onions, the green parts, because our meat is done. Our meat is done, y'all. Excuse me, I'm clearing my throat. Always waiting until I start speaking. So we're adding everything in. Baby, it smells so good in here. Trust me. Trust me, y'all. Just trust the process. Oh, our gravy is coming together. I can't wait to eat. Baby, this is looking so delicious. I taste a piece of the meat, okay? And it tastes absolutely amazing. You taste just a hint of sweetness, but not too much. You know I love me a savory dish, and I am not about the whole, I'm not about the sweetness in my savory dishes. So let's get plated up. Something quick, simple, and delicious. Probably it takes about 45 minutes. That's including the prepping time. Baby, you're going to love it. Enjoy. If you enjoyed this, leave me a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. And thank you for watching my last videos. And let me know what else you would like to see Jill make in the kitchen. Okay, bon appetit. Peace out. Thanks for watching. Later.